Hi guys, Erick Omondi here. This donkey represents Kenyans. Na hii mizigo ina represent the 47 counties. Lazima tupunguze mizigo. Punda imechoka. This nation is depressed. This nation is stressed. Manyumba zimefungwa. People are killing themselves. Watu hawalipi school fees. People are dying in hospitals because of lack of medicine. The burden on the taxpayer's shoulder is too much to take. We are going to reduce the counties from 47 to 8. We are going to abolish the position of nominated members. We are going to abolish the position of senator. We are going to abolish the 47 counties and only remain with 8. We are going to abolish the position of deputy governor. We are beginning to collect 1 million signatures next Tuesday. We will set up a small tent at archives. Ukienda kazi pita tu usaini. Ukienda lunch